Hello friends, how are you? আশা কৰোঁ সকলোৱে ভালে কুশলে আছে। Today we are going to discuss MCQs on constitutional law. So বেছি দেৰি নকৰি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Our first question is, the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on, options are, option A, 25 August 1949, option B, 26 November 1949, option C, 26 January 1950, option D, 15 August 1947. আৰু ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল option B, 26 November 1949. It is important to note that on 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect from 26 January 1950. ইয়াৰ অৰ্থটো হ'ল যে 26 November 1949ত ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টিটুৱেণ্ট এছেম্বলিয়ে ভাৰতৰ সংবিধানখন গৃহীত কৰে, যি 1950 চনৰ 26 জানুৱাৰী তাৰিখৰ পৰা বলবদ্ধ হয়। So our next question is, the words socialist, secular, unity and integrity of the nation were made to our constitution by, options are, option A, 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, option B, 44th Amendment of the Constitution, option C, 46th Amendment of the Constitution, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. As of October 2021, there have been 105 amendments to the Constitution of India since it was first enacted in 1950. Our next question is, the word socialist in preamble aims to, options are, option A, eliminate inequality in income and political status, option B, eliminate inequality in political and religious affairs, option C, eliminate inequality in income, status and standards of living, option D, eliminate class-based society. The correct answer is option C, eliminate inequality in income, status and standards of living. Our next question is question number 4. The preamble to the Constitution of India secures justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to, options are, option A, all persons, option B, those who reside within the territory of India, option C, all citizens, option D, those citizens who reside within the territory of India. And the correct answer is option C, all citizens. It is important to know that K.M. Munshi, who was also a member of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly, defined preamble as the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic. তেখেতে আমাৰ কনষ্টিটিউশ্যনৰ প্ৰিএম্বলখনক হৰস্কোপ বুলি কৈছিলে। So our next question is question number 5. India has borrowed the scheme of federation, that is union of states, from which country? Options are, option A, USA, option B, Russia, option C, Ireland, option D, Canada. Correct answer is option D, Canada. So friends, fundamental duties was adopted from the USSR Constitution, which is now called Russia, judicial review from United States of America, parliamentary government, rule of law, single citizenship from Britain. Our next question is, the term law in force in clause 3 of Article 13 means? Option A, only statutory law. Option B, customs and usages only. Option C, both A and B. And option D, newly formed public order only. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল অপশ্যন চি, both A and B. মানে statutory law, customs and usages also. So our next question is question number 7. India borrowed the idea of incorporation of fundamental rights in the Constitution from? Options are option A, France, option B, USA, option C, Britain, option D, Charter of Human Rights. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল option B, USA. Question number 8. Directive principles of state policy are fundamental for? Option A, upliftment of backward classes. Option B, protection of individual rights. Option C, administration of justice. Option D, governance of the state. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল option D, governance of the state. Next question. The salary and allowances of the governor are charged to? Options are option A, consolidated fund of the state. Option B, consolidated fund of India. Option C, contingency fund of India. Option D, A and B in equal proportion. The correct answer is option A, consolidated fund of the state. Question number 10. Members of Lok Sabha are elected by the way of? Options are option A, people's representation. Option B, by the state legislature. Option C, nominations. Option D, by electoral college. And the answer is option A, people's representation. Rajya Sabha has a term of? Options are 6 years. Option B, it is a permanent body in which 1/3 of the members retire after every second year. Option C, 5 years from the date of oath taken by the members. Option D, 10 years. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল option B. It is a permanent body in which 1/3 of the members retire after every second year. Question number 12. Prorogation of the House means? Options are option A, a House has been brought in session. Option B, the session of the House has been terminated. Option C, the House itself stands terminated. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, the session of the House has been terminated. So prorogation of the House means the session of the House has been terminated. Question number 13. Decisions regarding disqualification of members of Lok Sabha are taken by? Options are option A, Speaker. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. Option D, the Parliamentary Secretary. So the correct answer is option number A, Speaker. Question number 14. Who has the power to dissolve the House of the People? Option A, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Option B, the President. Option C, the Prime Minister. Option D, the Council of Ministers. And the correct answer is option B, the President. Next question is, in which of the following cases did the Supreme Court hold that amendment of the Constitution under Article 368 was a law within the meaning of Article 13? Options are option A, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Option B, Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan. Option C, Sankari Prasad versus Union of India. And option D, Keshavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল অপশ্যন এ, গোলকনাথ ভাৰ্চেছ ষ্টেট অফ পাঞ্জাব। আমাৰ নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Mandal Commission for backward classes was set in. So the options are option A, 1976, option B, 1978, option C, 1980, and option D, 1987. So the answer is option B, 1978. Question number 17. The Chief Minister shall be appointed by. Options are option A, Legislative Council, option B, State Legislature, option C, Chief Justice of India, option D, Governor. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল option D, Governor. It is very much important to know who is the first governor of Assam. So he was Muhammad Saleh Akbar Haidari. তেখেতৰ কাৰ্যকৰী কাল আছিলে August 15, 1947 পৰা December 28, 1948 লৈকে। Question number 18. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Option A, fundamental rights are in the part 3 of the Constitution. Option B, DPSP is in the part 4 of the Constitution. Option C, fundamental duties are in the part 4 of the Constitution. Union territories are in the part 8 of the Constitution. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল fundamental duties are in part 4 of the Constitution. So ইয়াৰে পৰা আপোনালোকে ভুল উত্তৰটো উলিয়াব লাগে। ইয়াৰে ভুল উত্তৰটো হৈছে fundamental duties are in part 4 of the Constitution. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে fundamental duties are in part 4A of the Constitution. এইটো part 4A আছে fundamental duties. So next question, question number 19. Within the Indian legal system, option A, there is no right to property. Option B, right to property is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution. Option C, right to property is a constitutional right but not a fundamental right. Option D, right to property is a statutory right only and not a constitutional right. So ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে right to property is a constitutional right but not a fundamental right. So friends, the 44th Amendment Act 1978 removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights. A new provision, Article 300A, was added to the Constitution, which provided that no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Question number 20. A judge of Supreme Court can be removed from office only on the ground of options are proven misbehavior or inefficiency, option B, delivering wrong judgments, option C, senility, option D, proven misbehavior or incapacity. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল অপশ্যন ডি, proven misbehavior or incapacity. যদি আপোনালোকে এই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে তেনেহ'লে লাইক, কমেণ্ট, ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব। Thank you for watching.